Welcome English 2. This is your Awod. For today's word we have undertake. Undertake. Let's go over the syllables. Let's get a red pen. Red pen. Undertake. How many syllables does undertake have? Let's see if you can find them. Undertake. If you said 3, you're correct. Undertake has 3 syllables. Undertake. Undertake. Once more, undertake. The emphasis or the accent is placed on the third syllable, not the second, the third syllable. Undertake. Undertake. In Spanish is emprender. Look at the part of speech that we're using it, and we're using it as a verb. Correct. Now, before we move on, take this time and pronounce the word once more. Undertake. Your turn. You got it? All right. Let's go over the familiar words, and we have 2. We have undertaken, used as an adjective, and undertaking, used as an adjective or as a noun. Note, undertaker is not a familial word for undertake. An undertaker is a mortician. Mortician is a person who arranges or works with bodies of dead people. Okay, synonyms, we got attempt and try. Attempt, try. Antonyms, or in this case one, antonym, avoid. Avoid. Let's go over the definition. Undertake, used as a verb, means to make yourself responsible for something and start doing it. To make yourself responsible for something and start doing it. Notice how we have the infinitive to followed by a verb, to make. That's how we know that it's a verb. Let's check our example. When you undertake the task of writing a speech, you must consider your audience. Okay, so when you become responsible, when you make yourself responsible for starting a speech, this is undertake. Make yourself responsible for starting something. What are we starting in this case? You're starting a speech. Okay, you have to be considerate. You have to take into consideration the audience that you will be delivering it to. Okay. What does that mean? When you're writing, you have to check if you are writing for kindergartners, for children. Is it going to be for your classmates? Is it going to be for your teacher? Is it going to be for professionals? Is it going to be for elderly people? What's your audience? And depending on what your audience is, you have to accommodate your speech. Okay, so whenever you undertake, whenever you start the task, whenever you try or you attempt a speech, you have to consider your audience. Okay. Let's go back. Note, we have several notes right here. For note number 1, in the past tense, or the past tense of undertake is undertook. Take, took. Undertook. Note 2, undertaker is not the familiar word again. It is just means a mortician. Okay, English 2 students, this has been your academic word for today. Again, the word is undertake. Emphasis on the third syllable. Go ahead and write your own sentence. Create your visual. And copy the sentence of the day for level 2 that is located on your board, on the board of the classroom. Have a great time studying, guys.